Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you about primary market. Primary market is also called as new issue market. Primary market is a market that deals with new securities which are going to be issued in the market for the first time. Different methods of issuing new securities is called as methods of flotation. So today I am going to discuss with you different methods of floating new issue. How new issues can be brought in the market. So there are 5 methods of bringing new lot of shares in the market. So the first method is students, the first method of bringing new issue of shares is the offer through prospectus. Offer through prospectus is the most popular method to bring new lot of shares in the market. Through prospectus, we can make a direct appeal to the general public to purchase the shares of the company. And before issuing prospectus in the market, company have to give advertisement in the newspaper and magazine that company is going to issue new shares. Then in the prospectus complete detail is given about the new lot of shares as well as about company. Contents of the prospectus are according to the provisions of Company Act and guidelines of SEBI, and company has to register its shares on one of the stock exchange on which shares are to be listed. So this is the first method, offer through prospectus. By the issue of prospectus, shares are brought in the market. Now student, I will discuss with you second method, that is offer for sale. In this method, shares are not directly issued to the general public as happens in the offer through prospectus. In this method, entire lot of the share is sold to an intermediary. It can be any issue house or any broker. So all the shares of the company are sold at an agreed price to the broker, intermediary. And after that, the intermediary sell the shares to general public. So this is called as offer for sale. Now, third method of issue of new shares is private placement. In this method, shares are not open for general public. They are sold privately to any institution or to some selected persons. Like any company can sell its shares to Life Insurance Corporation of India or to any bank or to some known persons. So here shares are not open for general public. They are sold directly to some selected persons. Actually, when shares or securities are sold to general public, so it is a very expensive and lengthy process. So sometimes companies, to avoid such lengthy and expensive process, they prefers selling of shares to privately to some selected persons. So this is private placement. Fourth method is right issue. Under this method, when a company is going to issue new lot of securities, so first preference they give to their existing shareholders to purchase such new lot of securities. So when a new lot of shares comes in the market, they give their existing shareholders preference to buy the shares. If existing shareholders don't want to buy the shares, they can give their that right of purchasing share to some other person, to their friends, etc. But if existing shareholders don't want to buy shares, don't want to transfer their right to some other person, then offer will be opened for general public to subscribe for the shares. So this is the right issue method. Here first right is given to the existing shareholders to purchase new lot of share brought by the companies in the market. Last method of flotation is EIPO, means electronic initial public offer. In this method, securities are issued to the general public through online system. Through online system, securities are offered to the general public and they are sold to the general public. But before doing that, companies have to take permission from one of the stock exchange regarding online issue of shares where such securities will be listed, and companies have to appoint a SEBI registered broker also who will accept the applications of general public as well as transfer the order to the company. And company also have to appoint a registrar who is having electronic connectivity with the stock exchange. So in this way, electronically shares can be issued to the general public. So students, today I discussed with you different methods of floating new issue. How new lot of shares can be issued in the market. So I discussed with you 5 methods. First method I discussed with you, offer through prospectus. In this method, through prospectus, public is made aware that company is going to issue shares and they are invited and sold shares. Offer for sale. In this method, the full lot of share is sold to any intermediary. Then intermediary sell shares to general public. Private placement. In this method, shares are sold privately to some institution or to some selected persons. In right issue, the first preference to buy new lot of shares is given to their existing shareholders. If they deny, only then offer will be open for general public. Last method is electronic initial public offer. In this method, shares are issued to the general public through online system of the stock exchange. I hope students the topic is clear to you all. Thank you.